Can you find the y value on the graph of this function that is above all other y values on the graph of this function? Do you see that that happens right here when x is 4 and y is 5? That is your absolute maximum. It happens when x equals 4 and the value of that maximum is 5. Can you find a y value that is lower than all other y values on the graph of this function? Me too. It's right here. At that point, the y value is the lowest of all y values that I can see. That lowest y value is your absolute minimum. And the value of that minimum is -6. And it happens when x equals 2. Are there any places on the graph where the function is increasing just before you get there and decreasing just after you leave? There are 2 such places where the function is increasing right before the point and decreasing right after. There is a local maximum, at x equals -1. I might sneeze again. And there is also a local maximum here where I had an absolute maximum. It's okay for them to coincide. Increase till I get there, decrease when I leave. Those 2 places must be critical values. And they also correspond to local or relative maximums. Is there any place on the graph of this function where you decrease till you get there, even if it's just a little bit, and increase when you leave? Decrease just before you get there, increase when you leave? There are 2 such places. Looks like about right here at -3, and here at a point that we call the absolute minimum. These points where x equals -3 and where x equals 2 are also local or relative minimums. Local or relative minimums.